Hi, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Google Docs. So let's get started. So first of all, to get to Google Docs, you have to log into your Google account, and then you go to your apps. And under your apps, you click on Drive, and once you click on Drive, it'll bring you to this page. So this is the Google Drive page. So you'll just press New, and then this will pop up. So you can see Google Docs right here. If you hover over this arrow, it has the option to do a blank document, and it has the option um to do something from a template. So say if you wanted to do a resume, you could choose a template, and then it'll let you do it in Google Docs. So I'm just gonna click on Google Docs, and this page will pop up. So as you can see, it's very similar to Word document. So up here, I'm just gonna add a title. This is where you add your title, and I'm just gonna type in 5, and there, the title's added. And also in Google Docs, you don't have to worry about saving anything. It automatically saves in Google Drive. So if I go back here, it's already in here. It pops up as the title that you saved it under. So you want to make sure that you're naming all of your documents. So as you can see, it has all of the windows, I guess, or words as the Word document. So there's File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Add-ons, and Help. And then there's all of this good stuff down here. You can center it, align, all that stuff. So I'm just gonna type sample text in here, and if I highlight it, I can change the font. I can do all kinds of things. You can right click on it, and these are all of the options that you can do with it. So over here, there is a editing bar. So right now we're in editing mode. You have a suggesting mode, and then you also have a viewing mode. The viewing mode is just viewing it without editing. So the suggesting mode is going to be like if you want to add comments to something, you can add it there in the suggesting mode. You can also add a comment in editing mode, and all you have to do is highlight it, right click on it, and then go down, and as you can see, you click on comment right here, and then it'll bring this up. So if you just want to see, and then you press comment, and then it'll comment for you. To reply to a comment, all you have to do is tap on the comment, and it'll reply, and you just reply. When you're done with the thread, you press resolve, and the thread will disappear. It won't delete, but it'll disappear, because if you click on here, all of your messages will show up in here, and you can reopen it and close it again as well. So I'll show you guys something else. If you go to file and you click on version history, you can we're gonna click on see version history. So you can basically click on stuff, and it'll show you um what you changed and what it was before. So like if you change something, it'll show you what you changed. And then so this is my old document with no words, and then this is the current version with words. So it's just like you can if you click on here, you can revert like back to um what you did before you made the changes. You can go back to that. But yeah, so that's pretty cool. So go back, and there's also a sharing option, so you can share this with people. So right now it's just private, so I'm just going to share it with myself. Type in my email address. Oops. Oh, what did I do? Okay. So there you go. You can add a note to it. You can add more people to it as well. So if you click on advanced here, so I'm gonna click on advanced, you can see the different um things that you can edit. So you can change if you don't want it to be private, if you want it to be public and let everyone see it, then you click on that. And if you want it to be, if you want to give it a shareable link, then you click on that. And if you just want it to be private and only be with people you want to share it with, then you just click on this and just press save. So yeah. So if you click on the little pencil, it'll have a drop down of can edit, can comment, and can view. So this is basically you're choosing what the person that you're sending it to, can do to the document. So if you want them to add comments, you can put can comment. If you want them to only view it and not add comments or not edit it, you can click can view. So yeah. And then you just press send and it'll send it out to them. So this is my tutorial on how to use Google Docs. Thank you.